Alicia? Alicia?
There.
What are you doing? Are you riding, Daddy?
My horsey.
You say giddy up, Daddy?
I'm going to get my horsey. Go vroom vroom.
Or your car? What's Daddy? What are you doing? Are you just gonna... Yeah? And then what happened? What'd you do?
I'm pulling Daddy's chair to tell which direction to go.
It's time to go. Uh-oh.
Left.
Uh-oh, it's time to go. I'll call her back in a second. It's time to go.
Vroom, vroom.
Uh-oh. What direction are you going to tell Daddy to go in?
Yeah.
Alicia, shall we sing a song while you're on Daddy? Huh? Alicia? Alicia? Yeah? Oh, Daddy stopped? Okay.
Okay. That's right. You don't like it when we're still, do you? Mm-hmm.
Okay.